Are you looking for best Canopy weights for your next outdoor event? Check out our top picks. We've got all the best brands and models, so you can find the perfect set for your needs. Whether you're looking for something lightweight and portable, or heavy-duty and durable, we've got you covered. So let's get started. List no ABC Canopy Easy Canopy Weights with Lock Design. ABC Canopy Easy Canopy Weights with Lock Design for wind resistance are used to stabilize outdoor tents. The weight feature is the best solution to secure the tent in windy conditions. Each weighs 6.6 pounds. The total weight is 26.4 pounds. Easy to carry and stable. Made from recycled material, filled with natural, river-washed screen silica sand interlocking weights securely fit all canopy poles up to 1.1 inches. This set is made from recycled material, filled with natural river-washed silica sand, which offers stability on a variety of surfaces. Each weight has a smooth texture for easy grip and safety when carrying them around. Lock Design gives double protection. It is definitely your most convenient and assured choice. They are interlocking, making them easy to secure even in windy conditions.
List number Miss Cat Canopy Weights set of 4. Miss Cat Sandbag Weights set of 4 is made of heavy-duty 1680D Oxford fiber, waterproof and tear-resistant. In addition, the sandbag weights can be used as a filler for sandbags and toys, such as beach balls, basketballs, etc. Install the sandbags where you need them. These 4 sandbag weights were designed for lightweight support of various types of canopies, such as tents, gazebos, and umbrellas. The sandbags can be filled with water or sand to form a weight on which you can hang a ladder, fishing pole, or whatever you need in your backyard. After use, you can simply empty them again, compact them into a large roll by rolling them up into a tube, and simply pull the cords tight to fold. The sandbags are filled with sand, gravel, or other materials nearby, so you can place them anywhere to place your canopy. List number Tankula set of 8 canopy weights. The Tankula set of 8 canopy weights will hold down your canopy or pop-up tent in place without blowing over. Made of high-quality PE, the weight plates are sturdy, wear-resistant, and not easy to crack. In addition, due to the excellent blow molding process, our weight plates also have good weather resistance, which can prevent fading and aging caused by sun and rain. Each weight plate has a large diameter injection spout for filling with water or sand to increase weight. This canopy weights are safe to install without hurting fingers and can be interlocked with any other weight set. Featuring a no-pinch design, you'll never have to worry about the poles falling off your canopy. Plus, the open slot fits all canopy poles up to 1.25 inches wide, so you'll always have enough weight for maximum stability and safety. List number Master Canopy Deluxe Canopy Weights. The Master Canopy Deluxe Canopy Weight Canopy is used for fixing tents, canopies, or patio umbrellas to provide higher safety and stability. These canopies weights can also be used as anchor weights to anchor the canopy in place if you're using it as an indoor umbrella, or will use it on your car roof. These weights are not just another weight, they are some high-quality ones. With this deluxe weight for canopy, we will provide you with the highest possible protection. The weight is suitable for pop-up canopy, beach canopy, commercial canopy, or similar products. It's made of high-quality stainless steel bars with a diameter of 28 millimeters. It's a set that can carry up to 4 pieces of weights, and it's easy to take out and put in again without damaging your canopy. It probably isn't perfect for your hiking adventure. List number US Weight Tailgater Canopy Weights. The weight system fits all canopy poles up to 1.25 inches wide. Interlocking weights designed by the experts securely fit the canopy legs and includes 4 10-pound weights, or 40 pounds total, and a carry strap. Each individual weight is 9 inches L times 9 inches W times 2.225 inches H. Interlocking weights designed by the experts securely fit the canopy legs, so all you have to do is place them in place and they're ready to go. They are constructed with the same no-pinch design by the experts, and simply attach to your existing canopy pole with 3M VHB adhesive at the ends. The inside is filled with a safe, environmentally friendly material.
The interlocking weights provide a strong grip, whether you need 40 pounds or 400 pounds total lifting ability.